For 15 years, I fantasized about everyone noticing me. And for the first time since I got my braces off, I didn't feel invisible. This year would be my year. For once, I wouldn't be overlooked.
You are the J-Town. But nobody can know that I like you.
Sometimes being a teenager makes you want to die.
Guys like Maddie don't go for girls like us. That was hardcore humiliation.
This came in the mail for you.
Sweetie,
I'm not paying Dominique to do your hair anymore if you're not gonna style it. Jenna, as you are now, you could disappear and no one would notice. Stop being such a pussy. A friend? Yes, take me away. Whoever wrote that letter didn't pull any punches. It was the truth, and the truth hurt.
Did she exhibit any warning signs? My daughter is suicide. I can't even imagine what she was feeling when she wrote that.
It was a misunderstanding of epic proportions.
so Jenna, tell me, how did it make you feel when you read the letter?
Crappy,
Considering your recent
accident. I didn't try to kill myself.
You weren't planning to ingest these, were you?
They're breath mints.
So they are.
So hot.
The loser wants us to talk about her.
That's why she did it. It was a pathetic ploy for attention.
She should go to church.
That girl?
That girl.
I heard when they pumped that girl's stomach, they found like
Pop rocks and coke.
she was huffing spray paint, 700 pills.
What kind of pills?
What is the fascination with me?
Like a bad car crash on the side of the road? Everyone wants a peek.
Who's ready to rally?
Being that girl was my new identity.
One more.
But I won't let it define me.
Girl.
Your meds are malfunctioning.
Everyone's gonna stare. I might as well go on stage.
Our contestants will now change into each other's clothes. The team that gets dressed first will win. We're gonna win.
Go!
Yes, you in the back.
I'm not raising my hand.
Hey, you have some serious back moves.
Which is about the only thing not broken on me.
Babe, you gonna grab Froyo?
Just go without me.
Things were looking up. Besides my arm.